Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how I went about making this this box. So these are box joints or comb joints in the UK. I've given it a little coat of Danish oil. Basically what I'm going to do is show you how you can make one of these also. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, like and subscribe. Right, I'm going to start by shaping this piece of timber here. There's a big bow, or there's big cupping straight through the middle, but I think it's biased on that side. And if I do, I can get rid of most of that cup there, or it'll just about work all right. And there's some bad bits just down here that I want to cut out. So by cutting it at 130, I'll get rid of all of this as well. there. It's 308. That's 312, so it's a little bit. So look, needs a touch. It's 310. So that theoretically should be smack on square. Yeah, it's not far away. Far away. It's good enough. Right, you need to get all the glue off. That's the next step. I'll be getting the glue off with a damp cloth. Right, the next time you'll see this is when it's dry. Finished box. So there's a few holes in it, a few bits and pieces. You can fill those. This isn't finished yet, and I'll show you how we progress it in the next couple of videos. I probably will fill them, but to be honest, I'm pretty pleased with the results. So yeah, success. Well done, round the table.